Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 2023 Toyota Crown, so let's get started. The 2023 Toyota Crown UPS the ante on the crossover to attract more customers than the Avalon it replaces, but it doesn't drive. What kind of Toyota Crown 2023 car? Toyota has discontinued the full-size sedan, the Avalon, to introduce another, the Crown, with a crossover feel and a hybrid powertrain. It rivals the Subaru Legacy, Nissan Maxima, Dodge Charger, and Volvo V90. The Crown crossover signal affects its design in driving quality, and not all for the good. It's less sporty than the luxury-focused Avalon, and the headroom is compromised by the large seats. It works well with both powertrains, with a good chance of giving a new power to the hybrid Max powertrain. It gets a TCC rating of 6.2 out of 10. What's new for the 2023 Toyota Crown? The 2023 Toyota Crown is new for the United States and has been redesigned for the Japanese domestic market, where it has been available as a premium sedan for decades. The Crown body cuts off the speedy sedan look, but the wraparound wheel cutouts and lower body add some SUV cues. Nothing is ready for the footpath, and land clearing it is a car. The design is almost beautiful from the carved parts, although it is a little bit put because of the high shoulder strap and roof. The nose, however, features a large grille inspired by the Toyota Venza front but with a crossover style. Similarly, the original Venza appeared as a lifted sedan, and the new Crown appears as a lifted sedan, thanks to a seat that sits 4.0 inches higher than the Camry's and a different roofline. The surface mount will be offered in two colors. Inside, the Crown has a very good appearance, but it spoils the front and back of the house. The front seat is good, the back seat has good legroom, and the trunk is decently sized but with little space. The Crown marks the debut of two hybrid systems for Toyota, the most notable of which is the new Hybrid Max system that balances power and fuel economy in top form. It consists of a turbo 4-liter 2.4 in front and rear motors to produce 340 horsepower and provide all vehicles. It is powered by a 6-speed manual transmission that can be manually changed via paddle shifters on the steering wheel. It gets 30 miles per gallon combined and boasts a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.9 seconds. The other two levels of the Crown get the next generation Toyota hybrid system, THS, used in the Camry and Avalon, among others. It combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with front and rear motors to deliver 236 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and 41 miles per gallon combined. The high seating position gives the Crown a crossover driving character. It's very nice, but it's a bit smaller than the average sedan. It moves well but doesn't want to attack corners. How much does Toyota Crown 2023 cost? The Crown is offered in XLE, Limited and Platinum trims. The XLE starts at $41,045 and comes standard with 8-way power front seats, cloth and synthetic suede upholstery, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen and up-to-the-air upgrades. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android. Safety, key, wireless phone charger and 19-inch alloy wheels. The top-of-the-line Platinum starts at $53,445. Crown safety features include automatic emergency braking and pedestrian and cross-traffic detection, adaptive cruise control, active lane control, automatic high beams, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring and rear seat recall system. Toyota Crown 2023. Styling. The 2023 Toyota Crown has a streamlined body with a crossover pin that adds a sinister line. Giving the sedan a sleek look creates a more sinister line in the Crown. It is not beautiful or offensive inside or outside. We call it 5 here. Toyota adjusts the Crown seat height to 4.0 inches. This involves some compromises because it is no longer than a typical sedan. The shoulder line of the car is raised to increase the roof while balancing the profile without creating a bubble shape. The casing around the wheel arch adds a passive element, as do the tires, leaving space between them and the casing. The treatment gives the car the look of a high-speed sedan. Up front, the Crown welcomes the latest open grille to enter the Toyota lineup, which is surrounded by bright eyebrows. The side body gets a raised rear spoiler, lower hood and a small black trim bag on the lower side of the door. A rounded back with an insert of a back cover completes the look. The rear can be black as part of a two-tone color option that also adds black to the hood and as an eyelash around the headlights. Inside, the Crown is well placed, but lacks design interest and some of the softer aspects of the Avalon it represents. The dash has straight lines and a large 12.3-inch central display that houses the digital instrument cluster. The design is beautiful. The center screen and controls are easy to reach and use, and the center console has a vertical wireless phone charger pocket, 2 cup holders and a nice-sized steering wheel. Toyota Crown 2023. Performance. The Toyota Crown drives well but lacks any sporty appeal. The base engine of the Crown offers only good acceleration. Smoothness is the power of the car. That makes it a modest 6 here. Toyota Crown 2023. Comfort and amp quality. The 2023 Toyota Crown defies the core and doesn't meet Avalon's quality standards. Crowns are not suitable for internal spaces or objects. However, he sits on a good 5, earning him an extra bonus here for 6. The design of the Crown spoils the interior space. With its high seating position and drop-down roof, front and rear room is limited for people over 6 feet tall. There's a lot of good stuff here, like plenty of legroom in both rows of seats, comfortable front seats, and rear seats with thigh support that's good for long drives. Despite its speedy appearance, the Crown is a sedan with a small trunk space. The trunk has a good 15.2 cubic meters of space, which expands for taller items with a 60-40 split folding rear seat. While the Crown replaces the Avalon as a premium offering, it matches its successor when it comes to interior quality. It sports a hard rubber and a slightly softer surface. Each Crown has a special glass and insulating pads between the engine and the housing, and engineers have worked to block the sound channels around the doors, window openings, wiring harnesses and other areas. All of these effectively block noise and create a quiet environment. Toyota Crown 2023. Security. Toyota takes the Crown with safety features. How good is the Toyota Crown? The Crown hasn't had any crash test results yet, and we won't review it until it does. Toyota backs up the Crown with standard safety features, including automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cross-traffic detection, adaptive cruise control, active lane control, automatic high beams, lane departure warning, and lane departure warning. Blind spot monitor, rear cross-traffic alert and rear seat reminder. System. Platinum also has automatic parking. Toyota Crown 2023. Plan. Toyota Crown 2023 is well prepared in 3 simple models. Toyota wears the Crown well and uses the same movement in the XLE Unlimited range. Platinum runs fast. It offers few options and its price puts it in an area where competition is fierce. We give it an 8 here, adding points for its standard equipment, easy-to-use infotainment, and good warranty. The XLE comes standard with fabric and synthetic suede upholstery, heated 8-way power seats, 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, wireless smartphone charger, 12.3-inch infotainment screen and over-the-air update capability. Navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and 19-inch alloy wheels. Which Toyota Crown should I buy? We'd opt for the creature comforts of the $46,645 Limited, which adds a panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, heated and cooled seats, heated rear seats, a heated engine and a System Channel 11's JBL show. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. Comment down what next review you guys want. See you guys in next video and thanks for watching.